Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation right here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the fuse for the VCT variable timing solenoid is located, stay with us. We'll explain where to find that fuse, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for you guys in this video today. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically, we're going to demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT 5.0, but even if you have the EcoBoost engine, it will work as well. This is the fuse box right here. So that fuse box, okay guys, okay, if we open the fuse box, let us show you now. You open it like that, hold it like that. On the back side you have the fuse numbers printed here, and it corresponds to what we have specifically right here. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, which fuse we need to check for the VCT variable timing solenoid. Now, interesting fact, even if you check the manual, that fuse is under a different name. It will just say power fuse. It will not explain what it's for. So we need to come in that fuse box here. I'm talking about that fuse box right there. And the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 40. So we're talking about that second fuse on the right side that you will need to check for the variable timing solenoid, the VCT fuse. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.